How to search on iPhone without Google. Well, it's pretty simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. Start by moving into the settings of a device. Once you're inside the settings, scroll down and move into Apps. In this page, search for the application Safari. Once you find it, simply move into it. In this page, head over to Default Web Browser. Make sure that the default browser is set to Safari. Once done, now what you want to do is, you need to head over to Search Engine. Instead of Google, you can set up the search engine to any one of it. You can choose Yahoo, Bing, and many more. Let me set it to Bing for now. Once done, now if you head over to Safari, and then if you search for any of the topic, then it will simply open up in the Bing search engine, and then you will be good to go. So that's a wrap for this video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.